dream. We were sipping whiskey neat, high exploring the Bowery. Nowhere's high enough. Lights, stop sleeping, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going, but I know I want you home. You'll be on your own. Who's gonna help you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna rock you through the dark side? If I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up,